Okay, so board is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Chalo. So decoder, okay, decode means it will decode whatever we code. Okay, decoder will decode. So this also basically same like an encoder. Okay, this it is a multi-input, multi-output, multi-input, multi-output logic circuit. Okay, so you have say n inputs. Okay, you say n inputs A0, A1, A2, and so on, an inputs, and you have m outputs, say D0, D1, D2, so on, and say Dn, Dm. So you have m outputs, okay. So out of this m output, okay, one output will be high at a time. One output will be high at a time. Okay, what does meaning? You'll be having many inputs, okay, like coded inputs. Okay, so when you give the values, okay, of this coded inputs, for example, you have coded in binary and you have 3 inputs, that means you have total 2 power and 8 codes. Okay, so any code you will give you, okay, and decoder will decode out of this 8 code which code is present. Okay, for example, I'm giving example here. If you have a binary, this input is in binary form, coded in binary form, and you want to decode either in octal form or decimal form or any other form. Okay, so you will be having some binary codes. Okay, if it's like a three input, then there will be total 8 codes, and out of 8 codes, you have to decoder will identify which is the code. Okay, in whichever format you want to decode. Okay, so for example, I'm giving you now, say 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, 3 to 8 decoder, 3 into 8 decoder. Okay, so suppose you have A2, A1, A0, 3 inputs. Okay, and 3 to 8 means you are basically doing binary to octal decoder. Okay, so octal will be having total.
स्क्रीन पर ब्लर है सर.
स्क्रीन ब्लर है क्या?
No, sir.
A1, A0. Okay, so you have binary to octal decoder. So there will be 8 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Now I have to design the circuit which will convert binary to octal. Okay,
Sir, 7 है ना, ये D7 तक है.
D7 तक है. Thank you. D7 तक है. D7 तक है. Okay, so output will be out of this one. Okay, and there will be inputs, 8 inputs if there is 3 input. Okay, so I'm doing 3 to 8. So let me draw first truth table and then we can design a circuit. Okay, so decoder is like encoder is very easy. Just you have to make correct truth table and then you can do decoding. Okay, so you have 3 variables, A, B, C. Okay, and you will be having total 8 outputs, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. So 3 input means you have totally 8 codes. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now whenever you give 0 0, okay, out of this one, only one should get activate. Okay, and we know the 0 0 is corresponding to octal D0. Okay, this corresponds to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this should be high, other should be 0. Okay, for second combination, one should be high, or other should be 0. Okay, so this is designing of 3 to 8 decoder. 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Then you'll be having 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. And for this one 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is my truth table. Now I need to make, I don't need to design the circuit, okay, which should follow this, which should give me this conversion. So whenever I put 0 0, the circuit should give me high output for D0. Okay, so that we need to make the circuit now. So like in the case of encoder, we will be having OR gates. Here we will be having AND gates. So let me design. So इसको रब कर दूं ना, तो बना लोगे टेबल. तो table is clear ना? Just we are making one high. We are, whatever logic is there, we are writing that in the form to table. So 0 0 is equal to 1, so we are putting 1 here. 1 is equal to 0 0 1 is equal to 1. So that's logic, just we are putting into table, and now we will design the circuit. So we will be having 8 outputs. Okay, so I am putting 8 AND gates. Right. Okay, so 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and we have 3 inputs, A, B, and we have C. Okay, so let me make this as a D7. So this is D7, this is your D6, this D5, this D4, this D3, this D2, this D1, and say this is D0. Okay, so D0, so whenever I give 0 0 0, okay, this output should be high. So obviously I have to put this as like a bar, B bar, C bar, because it is a input is 0 0 0. Okay, so this is my, say, inversion of not gate of B. See, this is not gate of C. See, this is not gate of B. Okay, and say this is not gate of your A. Okay, so here I want A, B, C. So let me put here A, and this is your B, and this is your C. So this is your ABC. Okay, similarly you have to put other answers also. Okay, so suppose you want this is 001. This is D1 is basically 001. Okay, so A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C. Okay, so you want A bar here, B bar here, and you want C here. So C can come from here. This is basically C line. This is your C bar line. This is your B bar line. This is your A bar line. Okay. Now this will give you what? A bar, B bar, C. 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, A bar, B bar. So you want A bar, you want B. So let us call me B from here. So say this is my B line. B is coming here. Okay, and then you want C bar. C bar you can take from here directly. So this is A bar, B bar, C. Similarly, 0 1 1, that is A bar, B, C. Okay, so A bar can come directly here, B and C can directly come here. Okay, and then 4 is 1 0 0, A, B bar, C bar. So 1 can come from A. You want 1 here, A. So this is A line. So 1 B 0 C bar 0 0 1 0 1 1. You want B line 1 0 1 C line. Okay, similarly 1 1 0, you want A 1 1 connected to A, 1 you want from B. So this is your B line, and 1 1 0 you want C. So C should come from here. Okay, and the last is your 1 1 1. So this is your what? 5 is your A, B bar, C, A, B, C bar. This is your A, B, C. Okay, so you want A, you want B, and you want C. Okay, now this is your decoder. Okay, this is your 3 to 8 decoder. 3 to 8 decoder. So for any given combination, any code you give here, for example, you give 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0. So only this will be, this D0 will be high. Okay, for high for 0 0 0. Okay, if you put 0 0 5, so suppose you put 0 0 1 0 or 0 1 0 0. Okay, so 1 0 0 4. So only 1 0. This is a 1 0. This is a 1. Okay, so only this will be high for 1 0 0. All other will be 0. Okay, once you make C 0, this 0. Once you make C 0, this 0. Okay, make
सर
your
ये
1
हाई कैसे?
be you put the value of 0 1 0 0. तो A तो 1 ही है, 1. B 0 है, B बार 1 हो जाएगा, C बार C 0 है, C बार 1 हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा. तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हाई नहीं है.
हाँ जी सर.
Okay, so any combination you will give, okay, at a time you will get only one output will be high. This is your A bar. So designing this very simple. Okay, now what is the advantage of this decoder? Okay, so as you can see, I have given 3 variables. Okay, and now my decoder is able to create 8 minterms. Okay, so similarly, if I give four variable here in binary input, okay, this can give me what? It can give me 16 minterms. So I have all the minterms. Now I have 3 variable, I have 8 minterms, and now I can create any logic function. Okay, I can implement any logic function using this decoder. Okay, because I have all the terms to make. So three variable logic function can have only this 8 terms. So any function I want to in the form of SOP. Okay, so any function I want to generate, I can generate with this decoder. Okay, for example, any logic function, or any logic circuit can be generated using decoder. हाँ बोलिए.
सर समझ नहीं आया थोड़ा. सर
भी
अगर लाइक
हम्म,
आउटपुट में 1 हाई है, लाइक वी हैव टेकन
हाँ
डी
हाँ
हाई हाई
हाँ हाँ
हाई है, वो डिकोड करना है हमने,
हाँ
वी वांट वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी, है
हाँ
ना?
हाँ हाँ
तो सर D4 हाई हो गया, तो
हाँ
हाउ विल वी नो कि व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी, दैट द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए
this value will be high when this high will be this high will be high, this can be high only when is a is 1 b 0 c 0, other combination this cannot be high.
सर 100 सर एंड लेना है ना हमने, इसका
हाँ
एंड
एंड
लॉजिक लगाना
हाँ
है ना?
एंड तो लेना है। तो यहाँ पे तो हमने a बार b बार c बार कर लिया है ना। मैंने इसको कनेक्ट किससे किया है, abc थोड़ी किया है। जैसे बी को मैंने इसको मैंने ये इसमें जो इनपुट्स हैं दैट इज
सर
जो a बार b बार c बार।
सर मैं यही जानना चाहती हूँ, ए बी बार सी बार हमने लिख कैसे लिया ये?
किसको इसको
यस सर।
भी
तो
हमारे
ये हमने अपनी
भी
अपनी नॉलेज से लिख लिया।
हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होता, हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन था 1 0 0।
तो यस वही तो, ये तो हमने ऑलरेडी लेके फिर वो D4 ले लिया ना,
तो
जैसे कल
तो ये
किया
तो
था।
लॉजिक फंक्शन है ना भी, हमको सर्किट डिजाइन करना है, लेके क्या कर वो तो हमारे दिमाग में तो हमारे दिमाग में ट्रांजिशन तो है ही ना। दिमाग में लॉजिक तो है ही हमारा भी, मुझे ये D4 चाहिए, ठीक है, मुझे एबीसी चाहिए, तो मैं इसको डायरेक्टली एबीसी नहीं दे सकता हूँ। जब मैंने डिजाइन किया तब तो मैंने यहाँ पे इन्वर्टर लगाया ना। ये कॉम्बिनेशन मैंने क्या दिया 1 0 0 दिया, यहाँ पे 1 0 0 दिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो इसको क्या दिया मैं डायरेक्टली एबीसी थोड़ी दिया मैंने इसको। भैया हमको क्या करना है कि हमको हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है। ओके, लेट अस यहाँ पे कोई भी तुम दे दो, मैंने यहाँ पे एबीसी का वैल्यू दे दिया 1 0 0। अब तुम बताओ कि ये वाला हाई होगा क्या?
नो सर।
ये तो जीरो जाएगा, 0 0 यहाँ पे ए बार बी बार सी बार से कनेक्ट किया मैंने, ये हाई होगा क्या?
D4 हाई होगा।
एक ही तो हाई होगा ना। तो
यस सर।
यही तो डिकोडर ये पहचान, ये सर्किट दिस सर्किट इज आइडेंटिफाइंग ना कि व्हाट इज
ओके।
योर कोड।
ओके सर।
तो ये अभी आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया। ये D4 क्या है? D4 क्या है? 1 0 0 ही तो है। D4 को कैसे लिखते हैं? D4 क्या 1 0 0 ही तो है
ओके
जो
सर।
मैंने ट्यूटोरियल बनाई थी। ओके, वैसे भी आपको D4 पता चल गया ना, ये ए बार बी बार सी है। तो इसको
ओके।
आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है कि कोड में ये ऑक्टल नंबर कौन सा ऑक्टल नंबर है, 0 है, 1 है, 3 है, 4 है।
ओके सर।
ये मैंने बोल दिया, सपोज मैंने बोल दिया ये 0 है, G1 तब भी सर्किट तो बताना चाहिए ना मेरे को। ओके,
ओके।
अब मैंने बोल दिया कि ये D7 है, और फिर मैंने अकॉर्डिंगली मैंने कनेक्शन दे दिए। अब आई दिस कैन बी आइडेंटिफाई, दिस इज कन्वर्टिंग। ओके, दैट इज व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड डिकोडर। ओके, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? भी जो हम दिमाग में सोच रहे हैं लॉजिक सर्किट ट्रूथ टेबल, वही तो आएगा इसमें आंसर। ओके, सो now what is the use of this one? This is the use of this is combinational logic implementation. ओके, कोई चीज आसान है तो वो आसान ही रहना दो, जो थोड़ी हर चीज मुश्किल ही हो। सो नाउ आई वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट, ओके, full adder circuit, okay, implement full adder circuit using 3 to 8 decoder, okay. So I want to implement this function. Okay, so now 3 to 8 decoder means I have 3 inputs, okay, and 8 outputs. Okay, so this will be your 3 inputs, say A2, A1, A0. Okay, so this will give this decoder will give you, this is 3 okay, into 8. 3 into 8 decoder. Okay, so this will give you 8 terms. Okay, so I call it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will give you 8 min terms. Okay, so this will be your min term 1, min term 2. Okay, now I want to make a circuit in logic, like half full adder circuit. Okay, so in full adder circuit, okay, I have a sum and I have a carry. Okay, the sum can be written as a min terms and carry also can be written as a min terms. Okay, so tell me what is the sum? Full adder का sum क्या होता है? तो in terms of min terms, what is the function value?
A bar B bar C plus A bar B C.
In terms of value of min terms, what are the min terms are present?
M1,
M1, M2,
1, 2,
4,
4,
7.
7.
very good. Okay, and here
Remain
Carry.
3, 5,
3, 5, 0.
Six.
6, 0 is there?
No,
Check it.
sir.
0
No,
is not.
sir.
No.
0 is not there. Okay, let me check.
3,
So 3,
Seven
5,
after
6, 7.
3,
3,
5,
5,
6.
3, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have to make full adder circuit using this decoder. Okay. This is very
3,
simple.
5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7.
7 after this.
3, 5, 6, 7. 7 also there.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
और यहाँ पे here.
Yes, sir. 1 to 4, 7. That
Okay,
is
very
it.
good. Okay.
0 नहीं include.
Zero थोड़ी ना है उस circuit आपको expression, you have to check the expression ना, what we have done expression. Sum was what? Sum was A XOR B
B.
XOR C. Okay, and this what AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now you have to convert in this in terms of min terms. So I know 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, so I have all the terms. I just had to make it OR. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 7. So if I want to make, I take 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, use a OR gate and give as an input. So this will give me what sum. So this is the representation of full adder circuit using 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, so this is your, this will give you A XOR B XOR C, which is equal to summation 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, similarly, if you want to draw this circuit using carry, so carry is your, just now you written 3, 5, 6, 7. So take 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, put in OR gate, so you can generate your carry. Okay, so this way any circuit you can represent using this decoder, any logic circuit. Okay, you want AND gate, you can take AND gate from here. You want not universal, like this is also universal thing. You can create universal gates. It can create any logic function using decoders. Okay, now depending on the how many variables you have, that decoder you have to take. Internal circuit is what? They all are AND gates. Okay. So depending on the input value, what you want to add, that you have to put here. Accordingly, you get answer from here. This value. Okay, what is the value of A1, A2, A3? Accordingly, you get output here. So this is your implementation or logic circuit. Okay. Now similarly, let me draw one more decoder that is called BCD. Okay, BCD to decimal decoder. Okay, now here what do you mean by BCD? Okay, so BCD also like also a number system, code system, like your binary number system, hexagonal number system. Okay, so in BCD number system, what you do? Okay, every bit is represented by by four binary bits. 4 binary bits. Okay. So this system is also called, this coding system also called 8241 coding system. Okay. So this is exactly like your hexagonal system. In hexagonal system also, every number is represented by your four binary bits. Okay, 4 binary bits. But here difference is there. In hexagonal system you have total 16 symbols. Here you have only 10 symbols. Okay, you have only 10 different symbols. Okay, for 0 to 0 to 1 0 to 9 0 to 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so you have to write this number in the form of decimal. Okay, so you having 4, you have A3, you have A2, you have A1, and you have A0. Okay, so other remaining become don't care conditions, because 4 variable should have a 16 combination. So here you don't have a other things you don't have. Okay, otherwise it will be an hexagonal system. Now what is the difference between a binary and BCD? Okay, so BCD means, BCD code means what? If suppose you want to write 14 in 14, so in binary, what you write 14? You will write 14 as a 1110. Okay, in binary. Okay, now similarly, if you want to code in BCD, so what you write, instead of 1 you will write 0001. Okay, and instead of 4 you write 1000. Okay, so this is your 14 in BCD code. So there is a difference between BCD and binary code. Okay, so BCD is just like your hexagonal code. Only difference is there, you don't have a list like A, B, C, D. You have up to 9 here only. So you should remember. So sometimes they ask BCD
सर
to
ये BCD कोड कैसे लिखा है?
BCD कैसे लिखा है, मतलब वही तो बता रहा हूँ भाई. BCD में क्या होता है, you have a every decimal, like this decimal numbers ना, so I can represent this number by, every number can be represented by 4 digit. Same like hexagonal also, we write 1. How we write 1? How we write 0? Okay,
000.
0 0 0. So same as here also we write 0 0 0. Okay, but only the here we don't go up to 16, we go up to 9 only. So yeah, there's only 10 symbols. BCD has only 10 symbols. Number system which has 10 symbols, and every number is written as a combination of 4-bit binary number. Okay, like octal we written 3-bit binary number. Octal is up to 7, it is up to 9. Okay, hexagonal is up to 16. Clear?
Okay, okay sir.
So now again you want to make a BCD to decimal decoder. So BCD is what? Is 4-bit. That means you want to make 4 to 8 decoder. 4 into 10 decoder. Okay, so same like earlier, you have to make terms 0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, up to we got D9. Okay, and you just make table what we have done earlier. Okay, for 0 0 0, okay, only one term 0 0 0 0. Only one term will be high, other will be 0. Okay, that's it. Same we done. So that is I'm putting as a homework. You have to design the circuit. Okay, so design. Okay, 4 to n decoder or BCD to decimal decoder. So this is 0 0 0 1. So you have 1 here. Okay, then you have here 2. 2 means 0
सर
0
ये
0.
बिल्कुल सेम ऐसे ही है ना जैसे डिकोडर में बनाया है?
हाँ, ऐसे बनाना, बिल्कुल ऐसे बनाना है. ओके, बनाना टेबल. ये सर बनाया था वैसे एग्जैक्टली वैसे बनाना है. आई हैव टू डिजाइन द सर्किट. राइट. हाँ,
Sir, here A3, A2, A1 and A0 is our
out after 9 whatever are they are all don't care conditions.
these are BCD numbers, na?
BCD numbers, these are BCD numbers up to 9.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Like
0.
भी
Okay.
जैसे ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम क्या होता है, यहाँ तक होता है।
यस सर, यस सर।
ऑक्टल में 3 बिट होते हैं। ओके,
ओके ओके सर।
यहाँ पे 4 बिट में 16 तक होता है, यहाँ पे 9 तक ही है। इस
ओके
कोड
सर,
में 9 तक ही है।
ओके सर।
ओके, so send me his homeworks design and send me the like exactly like 328 decoder. Okay, now the next is BCD to 7 segment decoder. BCD to 7 segment decoder. What is your 7 segment decoder? Okay, for example, you have these LEDs. Okay, थोड़ा गैप देके बनाना है इसमें, थोड़ा सा गैप देके बनाना है, जस्ट गिव गैप। So how many segment become 1? Okay, 2 3 2 3 4 5, and this is your 6 segment, and one segment is here, one segment is here. Okay, so now what I want to make, I want to give a BCD code. Okay, BCD code means 0 0 0, okay, 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. This 8 code up to 9 I want to give 0 1 1, and this should tell me the numbers. Okay, for example, if I want to make 0 0 0, if I want to make 0 0 0 0, okay, so I'm calling this is my A, B terminal, C terminal, D terminal, E terminal, A B C D E F, and say this is G. Okay, now if I want to make 0 out of this LEDs, okay, so all LED should burn. This A should be high, B should be high, C should be high, D should be high, okay, E should be high, F should be high, only G should be low. Okay, so for 0 0 0 0 0 0 code, okay, if you want to convert, so your A to F should be high and your G should be low, then it will represent as 0, and it will represent as 0. Okay, similarly if I want to make 1, okay, if I want to make 1,
Sir,
so
can you repeat last sentence?
भी
ये नहीं
इसमें
समझ
ये एलईडी लगी हुई है, 7 सेगमेंट एलईडी लगी हुई है। ओके,
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे कन्वर्जन चाहिए 0 BCD to this segment. Okay, this BCD should tell me convert in decimals, basically 0 to 9. So whenever I give 0 0, this should tell me it should make 0. ओके, जब भी मैं इसको 1 दूं तो ये इसको 1 रीड करना है, एलईडीज को 1 रीड करना है, जैसे देखते नहीं हो नंबर चेंज होते रहते हैं एलईडीज पे स्क्रीन पे।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो वही चीज ये कर रहा हूँ मैं, इनपुट दे रहा हूँ एंड द नंबर इज वेरिंग। ओके, सो फॉर 0 0 दिस ऑल नंबर शुड बी हाई, दिस शुड बी 0. ओके, दिस शुड बी डार्क, this will make red thing, this will make a 0. Okay, similarly if you want to make a 1, so what should be there? You want to make 1,
B and C only.
yes, B and C will be only so this is very very close circuit, B C be high, all others will be 0. Okay, so if you want to make 1, so say this is your okay, this should be for 1, this should be your high, and similarly you want to make 2. Okay, 2, how can we make? So 2, this should be high, this should be high, this should be high, this should be high, this should be high. Okay, so if you want to make 2, so 2 should be like this. Okay, 2 means this should be high, this should be high, this should be high, and this should be high, and this should be high. That means your A should be high, okay, B should be high, G should be high, and your E should be high, and your D should be high. Okay, so then it will make 2. Similarly, for 3, 4, you can make for 3. If you want to make 3 should be like this. Okay, so A should be high. Now I'm not drawing all the things. Okay, you understand what I'm doing. B should be high. Okay, and then your class A, B, C, D should be high, and G should be high, and this G should be high, and this your D should be high. So it will show you 3. Okay, and this is also no. This is also, so this is your C. So 3, your A, B, C, D, and G should be high. So it will make 3. Okay. Now this we have to understand in terms of truth table. Are you getting this? What I'm doing here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to this logic I want to write in truth table. Okay, and see how to perform this circuit as a logically. Okay. So say I have a decimal inputs, or we say I have a A2, A1, or A3, A2, A1, and this should be A0. Okay, and here I have a segments A, 7 segments, B, C, D, E, F up to G. Okay, now I want to make 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so you have seen for 0, 0, 0. Okay, you tell me. Okay, you tell me what should I do. So 0, 0, 0 already we see, and we have seen this should be high, 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 this should be 0. Okay, now for 0, 0, 0, 1, tell me what should be high.
B and C.
B and C. This will be 0, this will be high, this will be high, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now you have 0, 0, 1, 0. For 2, what should be high? Tell me.
A, B, G, E, D.
A, B,
D,
then
D, E, G.
A, B, E, G.
D also, sir.
B तो लिखा ना मैंने, D. A, B, D, E, G. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Okay, F is 0, C is 0. Okay, similarly, if I want to write, okay, 0, 0, okay, 1, 1, okay, 3. So 3, what should be there? So initially 3,
A, B, C, D, G.
okay, A, B, C, D, then G. Okay, this should be 0. Very good. Okay, so similarly now you have to tell me. Okay, you have to plot. Okay, so this is 0, 0. Now the 3 is 4, 1, 0, 0. What should I write for 4?
4, F,
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 G,
G,
B,
E,
B,
C,
B,
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 C, and
C,
yes,
and
F, G, B, C.
F, G, B, C. Okay, so this is your 4. Okay, so 4 means you have B, C, F, G. Very good. Okay, so similarly you tell me for 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. What should we write for 5?
A, C, D, F, G.
A, C, D, F, G. Okay, so remaining terms are 0. Similarly for 6, now 5, not as 5 is 6. So 6 is 0, 6 is what? 1, 1, 0. Okay, so what is, tell me for 6?
B0.
B0,
All other one.
other
all
one.
one.
Okay, for 0, now 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 7.
ABC, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, okay, then You have to tell me now what remaining 8. Okay, 7 after 8, so 1 0 0,
All ones.
all 1. Okay, now next is 9. Okay, 9 is 1 0 0 1. What should I write?
Don't E0.
E
0.
0 and
That's all.
9 is what? 9 is your only E0, all 1. Okay,
Yes.
all 1. Very good. Okay, so this is your truth table. Okay, now what you need to do, okay, you have to make the decoder circuit. Okay, you have to make this decoder circuit. So how to make? Okay, so let me erase this one. Now you have a decoder circuit with 4 inputs. Okay, you have a A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay, and that is your BCD A241 code. Okay, BCD input code, BCD input, BCD inputs. And here you say you're getting min term, say A, B. And now what is ABC will decide. Okay, generally what we write, if 4 terms are there, we write 16 terms. If 4 terms are there, we write up to 0 to 16. Okay, so here we don't want 0 to 16, we want 0 to 9 only. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now these min terms are there. Out of this min term I can create what is A, B, C, D. You're getting this. BCD will give me this 9 terms here, 10 terms here from 0 to 9. Okay, out of combining these terms, I can create a function for ABC. For example, now you have the table. Okay, so tell me what is the function for B. You have the table. Tell me what is the function for B. So in B have you have a min terms present 1 1. So B is what? In B has you have min terms 0 1 2 3 4 7 8 9. These min terms are present for B, isn't it? Can I write B like this? Check the truth table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means I can write B. Similarly, I can write function for A. I know the min terms for every function. A के लिए क्या A is the sum of min terms, B is also min term, C is also min terms. Okay, and I know any min terms I can get from this one. Any min terms or combination of min terms I can get from decoder. Okay, that means what I'm not writing now 0 1 2 3. I'm saying I can get from here A, B, C. This is not equal. I can get A. Combining these things, I can get A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These 7 combination I can get. Okay, now I have 7 segment here. A. Okay, it's like this. Yes. Okay, so this is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, just connect A with A, B with B, C with C. Okay, D with D, E with E, F with F, and G with G. Okay, just connect. Okay, now what will happen? Tell me. Now you give any combination here. Any combination will give. Suppose you are giving 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so when you give 0 0 0, okay, then what should do? This should glow. 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 That means for 0 0 0 0 0, your A value should be high. Okay, B value should be high. So that means A to F should be high. A to F should be high, and other value G value should be 0. Okay, G should be low. So you will now get the function in a such a way when you put the values of this combination, okay, that will give you high. For example, here I have B. Okay, so B I can write B function. Okay, so what is 0? 0 is basically what? 0 is basically A3 bar, A2 bar, A1 bar, A0 bar. This is your B, 0. Similarly, 1 is your A3, A3 bar, A2 bar, A1 bar, A0. Okay. Similarly, 3. Okay. Now, please, you have this function and minimize this function. Tell me, give me the minimum value of B. Okay, you have a K map. Simplify and tell me what is the minimum value of B.
कैसे लिखी आपने?
हाँ?
B की वैल्यू कैसे लिखी आपने?
B की वैल्यू कैसे लिखी मतलब बताया था सर B टेबल से लिखा ना टेबल से टेबल में B में फंक्शन लिखा ना B में कौन कौन सी मिन टर्म्स प्रेजेंट हैं और व्हाट आर द मिन टर्म्स आर प्रेजेंट इन B. ओके, सो फ्रॉम देयर आई कैन राइट B इज सम ऑफ मिन टर्म्स. कौन कौन सी टर्म 1 है B में टेबल में, so this is your B. Okay, now you have this B. Now minimize this B. B is a function of 4 variables. B is a function of 4 variables: A1, A2, A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay, now you solve the K map. So I'm giving you the answer. Okay, and I'll discuss it tomorrow. So if you solve this B, okay, taking this as these are terms and other remaining terms from 10 to if you take 10, okay, 0 to 9, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this has a don't care condition and these are my inputs. If I solve the K map, okay, so what I get, I'll writing, so B value I will get, okay, what is the B value? So B value I will get A2 bar plus A1 bar, A0 bar plus A1, A0. Okay, so this is your homework. These are the min terms and these are dot care condition. You have to minimize B, so you get this combination. Okay, now tell me if I want to make this term 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 0. Okay, for 0, 0, 0, B value should be what? High or 1? High or low? Okay, so put the values here. You put 0 here, this become 1. You put 0 here, this become 1, 1, 1. You put 0 here, this 0, so 1 plus 1. Okay, so that means for 0, 0, 0 combination, your B is high. Okay, similarly, if I write now say 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, for that combination also your B will be high. Okay, so now we can write A, B, C in the combination of this one. Okay, now whatever combination you give me, like you want, suppose you want only this one 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 1 or 3. So accordingly, those combinations become high. Okay, depending on these combinations. Are you getting what I'm saying or not? Shall I repeat again or you are getting?
Sir,
So
repeat.
means in order to make 0, we have to
See,
make
you have
combinations like
the two tables. Okay, you have the two tables. For each two table, you can write the function A, B, C. What is A? What is B? What is C? What is D? Using the two table with plus don't care condition, you can solve the K map and you can find the function. Okay. Now, if you give like 0, 0, 0 for 0, 0, this should be high. This should be high. So your function this A will give you high value. B will give you high value. Only G will give you 0. Okay. Similarly, if you put any other combination accordingly what you want, that input will be high, other will be 0. So this will be keep on creating this number. Okay, so let me discuss this tomorrow. Okay, आज complete नहीं होगा. So just for the moment today, what you want to you just calculate. Okay, the minimum value of B, minimize B. Okay, you have these values and you have this don't care conditions. So we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. ऐसे तो आसान ही है. We have done several times. We have done function. अगर we have two table, we can write function out of two table. And once we know function, we can minimize. तो बार-बार कर ही रहे हैं हम लोग, कब से कर ही रहे हैं.
सर
हाँ.
फिर कितने क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं डिजिटल में एग्जाम में?
3 से 4 क्वेश्चन तो आएंगे.
ओके.
गेट में आता जाता है. गेट में 3 से 4 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ठीक है. बट वो मुश्किल नहीं है. ठीक है. ये तो सब डिकोडर का एप्लीकेशन है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन थोड़ी आएंगे. ओके, क्वेश्चंस जो आते हैं वो सिंपल आते हैं, जैसे मैंने मल्टीप्लेक्स के करे थे, आपके बूलियन अलजेब्रा के क्वेश्चन किए थे हम लोगों ने, सिंपलीफाई करने के, कन्वर्जन के, मल्टीप्लेक्सर। मेन क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं फिर वो फ्लिप फ्लॉप से, काउंटर से, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, ठीक है। पर ये तो समझाने के लिए करना पड़ा डिकोडर का एप्लीकेशन, डिकोडर कैसे काम करता है। ओके
सर
so,
ऐसे तो हमें बी सी ए बी सी डी सबके लिए मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा ना,
सबको
अकॉर्डिंग
मिनिमाइज
टू
करना
द
पड़ेगा, सबके मिनिमाइज करना
अकॉर्डिंग
पड़ेगा।
यस सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू हम
तो
इनपुट दे सकेंगे।
चेक करने के लिए वैसे चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो आएगा। अभी एक का चेक करके देख लो ना, एक का चेक करके देख लो। बी आपको पता है बी कब कब हाई होना चाहिए, तो वो हर अगर बी सबके लिए हाई दे रहा है देगा वैसे। तो ये तो बनाने का तरीका, सॉल्व करना जरूरत नहीं है, यू नॉट नीड टू
यस
सॉल्व।
सर,
आपको बस समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ मैं, आर यू गेटिंग?
ओके सर।
तो बस आपको एबीसी का सबको मिनिमाइज फंक्शन चाहिए, और उसमें उसमें वैल्यू पुट करो, देख लो कि वो सर्किट बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है, दैट्स इट।
यस सर।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? If there's no question, I'm stopping.
थैंक यू सर।
So you have to send me homework, this B, minimization of B.